Hello there, my name is David Payne. I work for Balerno Village Trust. Balerno is a small community just outside of Edinburgh in Scotland, and I work on sustainable transport. These are my details. Today I'm going to show you how to use a fold-up bicycle. In this case it's the Brompton fold-up bike. There are many fold-up bikes on the market, but this is arguably the best. It's built and designed in the UK, and we are renting it to people in Balerno free of charge for people using public transport and or car sharing. This is the Brompton in question. It's very compact and easy to ride, and this is how we unfold it. Firstly, the saddle. There's a quick release down at the bottom, and for people who are about 5.5 to 6 foot tall, we put the saddle all the way to the top, remembering to tighten it. Next, the pedal pulls out, and then the handlebars unclip, and we tighten it up here. And then by pulling this frame, it should spring into action, making sure it clips at the back, and at the front we tighten that up finger tight. And there we have a very good 3-speed Brompton, and away we go. And I will show you that in reverse so we can put it together. Make sure that the black pedal is located in about that position. Now there is a clip behind the frame down here, and we pull that into the frame, lift the back end up so that the rear flips under the main frame here. And then undo the front latch and cantilever that front around the back part of the frame. There is a plastic hook here which latches onto the frame down here, and the front of the wheel should always face the front of the bike. And then to the handlebars, untighten that latch and clip it into the frame. Bring the saddle all the way to the bottom, and then clip the pedal. And for the Brompton details, for more information, their website is here. Thank you very much.